Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make frozen Sprite gummy bears. First, gather your simple ingredients and tools. You'll need about 8 ounces of regular gummy bears, a 16.9-ounce can of Sprite, and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Using Haribo brand gummy bears is often recommended because their firmer texture holds up well during the soaking and freezing process. This easy method creates a delightful, refreshing treat. Next, place your gummy bears into a medium-sized glass mixing bowl. Carefully pour the Sprite over the gummy bears, ensuring they are fully submerged in the soda. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a lid and place it in the refrigerator. Allow the gummy bears to soak for at least 8 hours or even overnight. This crucial step lets the gummies absorb the Sprite, making them plump and flavorful. Once your gummy bears have soaked sufficiently, it's time to prepare them for freezing. Using a slotted spoon or rubber gloves, gently scoop the plumped-up gummy bears out of the Sprite, allowing any excess liquid to drip off. Carefully arrange them in a single layer on your parchment-lined baking sheet, making sure each bear has a small space around it to prevent them from freezing together. Transfer the sheet to the freezer for about 3 hours, or until completely frozen. Your delicious frozen Sprite gummy bears are now ready to enjoy. They offer a unique, chewy, and slightly crisp texture that's perfect for a hot day. For storage, keep any leftover treats in a covered, airtight container in the freezer for up to 1 week. Be careful not to let them thaw too much before refreezing, as they might stick together. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.